Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Wednesday 15 January 2025. Today UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction number. Today UK 49's lunchtime prediction first number 5, number 16, number 23, number 31, number 43, booster number 35, UK 49's tea time prediction number. Join YouTube channel membership, 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number. 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number. Join now. Today UK 49's tea time prediction number 4, number 15, number 20, number 33, number 39, booster number 42. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment and subscribe this